After the release of my Macro SOS case for the Game Boy DS Lights, the broken Game Boy DS Lights, I've actually seen a couple complaints that the bottom over here of the cartridge sticks out on the bottom of the Macro SOS case, and it's unsightly, and it gets caught in people's pockets. It's a complaint that people have with any macro build, but specifically mine. I've seen a few. So I took it upon myself to make an updated version, and I came up with this. This is called the bumper, and it attaches and hugs my existing case. So I have an empty shell here, and here is how it looks when it's all said and done and built into a macro. Flows perfectly with the design. You can still see the cartridge. We got controls on the left and the speaker on the right, the headphone jack. So we're going to make another one. We're going to fill in that shell. I have here a Japanese DS Lite with a broken top screen. Got this on eBay from Japan. So we're going to take this out and we're going to put its guts into here, and let's build an updated Macro SOS. Let's go. All right, everything has been extracted out of the case, and as you can tell by the membranes here, it is just filthy in there. I have some cleaning to do. Hopefully isopropyl alcohol will get rid of some of this corrosion that I found over here. I do have my 99% alcohol over here, as well as some cotton swabs to try to help with that. I also have to do some soldering. Both the speakers have to be soldered in, and then this tiny little resistor right over here has to be soldered onto the board to trick this thing into not needing the top screen anymore. And then once all of that is ready, I have some Kapton tape to put on a few little pieces. We're going to be ready to drop it in to the Macro SOS. Let's get going. All right, we got the tape everywhere we need. The wires are routed. Everything is soldered on. Everything's neatly placed here. This is the left speaker. This is the right speaker waiting to go on and dropped into the case. I got the buttons in here. Let me just button this up, and I'll see you in a sec. So all that work makes us one of these, the Macro SOS version 1.5. And here we see a game plan. This one's playing off the R4 cart from the top, but you can also see that the carts on the bottom no longer stick out, and there's a large opening so you can see which cart you have in there. You see the speaker through here, as well as a speaker right over here. Everything you need to play your Game Boy Advance carts or your favorite Game Boy Advance games, as well as some others, obviously. But yeah, Macro SOS. If you like it, check out 3dprintsos.com. Later.